Welcome back, my strong hair loss warriors. We're doing a beautiful hair loss transformation. We're making a custom lock unitive. Oh, girl, look at that. We are almost done. Ooh, oh, and yep, there it goes. These are the final results, honey. We cannot wait to install this micro lock, or some people may call it sister lock unit. It took a long time. If you're interested in ordering your custom sister lock or micro lock unit, please feel free to contact the Weave Doctor. We're located in Bowie, Maryland. Call us or book online at purevirginmaine.com. Ha 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 ha. And you thought that the Weave Doctor was not coming back, but girl, we had to show you the final results of the unit installed. All right. Va-va-voom, honey. Va-va-voom. Okay. Yes, honey. And this is not her scalp that you're looking at. It's an illusion. It's a real illusion. Now, normally we can, she can lift this up over her hair, over her ears, but she requested that she does not want her ears shown in the video. So we try to respect our clients and try to have them, if they want to be a little bit more discreet. So make sure to book at purevirginmaine.com or email us if you're interested in a custom lock unit or alopecia unit. Thank you.